what do you have to say on fail fast so you can move on, but इंडिया में फेलियर एक स्टिग्मा है, तो आप पर्सनली फेलियर को इमोशनली कैसे डिटैच करते हैं?
ये स्कूल्स में करना पड़ेगा, ये पेरेंट्स को करना पड़ेगा। ये दिस इज नॉट अ थिंग विच अ स्टेटमेंट कैन चेंज। we are a country where even my prime minister doesn't want to fail. It's a country where failure is such a big stigma. The whole concept of, what is a failure? Of To me, not trying is a bigger failure than failing and trying. Right? But that's a big shift in a mindset. I mean, you can't look at how we view failed businesses. हम तो उसको चोरी बुला देते सीधा. In Donald Trump, after filing bankruptcy several times, is the president of the US. Vijay Mallya filed bankruptcy or didn't file bankruptcy. Now, of course, he must have done a lot of other bad things also, but we make him a poster boy. That's ये तो bankrupt है, ये चोर है. Bankruptcy is not chori. Bankruptcy is a failure. Now, can it be misused? And maybe somebody is using it, that law to also cheat. But overall, bankruptcy is not a bad thing. Well, just the mindset, it's a failure. I think we got to get this right from the top, at the leadership level, to right down to schools. And it's very difficult to even failing fast is okay. But I mean, okay, I tried a business, it didn't work, and I'm gone back to working now. That's all right. That doesn't make me any lesser smart or an idiot. But the perception will be so bad that now and that's why lots of startups just don't even, I know so many companies that still exist, despite they have failed. I mean, some of them were our competitors. I don't know why they still exist. Make my trips competitors. Why would you not shut down and do something else? I mean, why are you giving? Because in India, failing is such a big taboo. There's nothing wrong in saying, listen, I tried, didn't work out. Okay. Not even failed, I got beaten. हमारे यहाँ तो मतलब, look at the stakes we have put on a cricket match when we are playing Pakistan. I mean, life and death. It's a crazy thing we do. I mean, you can get beat, you can fail, or you can lose. Okay, that doesn't mean that you don't try, but it's a mental